Want to land your dream job or client? You need a portfolio that screams hire me. And you can build a stunning professional portfolio right in Canva. I'm going to show you how, using a real-life creative's portfolio as our inspiration. Let's get started. Step 1, start with the right template. First, log into Canva and search for a portfolio presentation. Choose a template that matches your style. Minimalist, bold, colorful, it's all there. We're using a black and gray minimalist style, just like Valerie Sintim's creative presentation. Step 2, the introduction page. Make it count. Clearly state who you are. For example, creative presentation presented by Valerie Sintim. Add a high-quality professional image that reflects your industry. Use a few punchy sentences to summarize your experience, like, Valerie is a graphic designer with 5 years of designing experience. education and experience. Show your journey. Keep this section concise and focus on relevant accomplishments. List your certificates and degrees. Valerie's portfolio includes a certificate in digital marketing and a BA in graphic design. Step 3. Skills and expertise. Dedicate a page to your superpowers. This should be a clear, scannable list of your key competencies and the tools you master. Valerie's document highlights her strong grounding in areas like digital illustration, motion graphics, branding, logo design, and video editing. Don't forget to mention specific software. Include programs you have working knowledge in, such as Adobe Premiere Pro and InDesign. You can grid secondary but still important skills like UI/UX design, social media management, and copywriting. List the companies you've worked for, like Soronko Academy and IFAE Creative School. Use the bullet points to briefly summarize your key roles and responsibilities. Step 5, showcase your projects. This is the heart of your portfolio. Use high-quality visuals of your work. Give each project a clear title, then replace the placeholder with an image of the final design. Add a brief description that explains the project and your role, but keep it readable. For example, describing the movie night poster. A movie is centered on spiritual warfare and prayer engagement in the spiritual realm. Dedicate individual pages to your most complex or impressive projects, like the second project. easy for people to connect with you. Include your professional email, phone number, and website online portfolio link. End with a strong thank you and a clear call to action, encouraging them to reach out or visit your website. And there you have it, a professional, impactful portfolio created easily in Canva. Remember, keep it visually consistent, focus on your best work, and make sure your contact information is correct.